NLN NEX Cardiovascular System. Question 1. During NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which hormone helps regulate blood glucose? Option A, insulin. Option B, melatonin. Option C, adrenaline only. Option D, thyroxine only. The correct answer is option A. Insulin. Insulin helps regulate blood glucose by promoting glucose uptake into cells. Melatonin relates to sleep cycles, adrenaline is linked to stress response, and thyroxine affects metabolism. Blood glucose is the insulin clue. Question 2. For NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which value equals 4 superscript 2? Option A, 8. Option B, 6. Option C, 42. Option D, 16. The correct answer is option D, 16. 4 squared means 4 times 4, which equals 16. 8 doubles 4, 6 adds 2, and 42 places digits together. Exponents mean repeated multiplication. Question 3. In NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which choice is a complete sentence? Option A. After the lesson. Option B. While reading the chart. Option C. Because the exam started. Option D. The student reviewed carefully. The correct answer is option D. The student reviewed carefully. The student reviewed carefully has a subject and a complete predicate. The other choices are dependent fragments and cannot stand alone. Complete sentences express a full thought. Question 4. On NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which gas is needed for aerobic respiration? Option A, nitrogen only. Option B, oxygen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, helium. The correct answer is option B, oxygen. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen to help release energy from glucose. Carbon dioxide is a waste product, helium is not used in respiration, and nitrogen is mostly inhaled and exhaled unchanged. Oxygen is the required gas. Question 5. Before NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which value is 45 divided by 9? Option A, 5. Option B, 9. Option C, 36. Option D, 54. The correct answer is option A, 5. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. 9 is the divisor, 36 is subtraction, and 54 is addition. Division asks how many groups of 9 fit in 45. Question 6. After NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which word means the same as assist? Option A, delay. Option B, refuse. Option C, confuse. Option D, help. The correct answer is option D, help. Assist means help. Delay means make late, refuse means decline, and confuse means make unclear. Healthcare vocabulary often uses assist in patient care contexts. Question 7. While NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which body system includes hormones and glands? Option A, skeletal. Option B, digestive. Option C, endocrine. Option D, respiratory. The correct answer is option C, endocrine. The endocrine system includes glands that release hormones. The respiratory system handles breathing, skeletal system supports movement, and digestive system processes food. Hormones are the key clue. Question 8. Given NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which value is 10% of 90? Option A, 900. Option B, 9. Option C, 10. Option D, 19. The correct answer is option B, 9. 10% of 90 is 9 because 0.10 times 90 equals 9. Option B repeats the percent, option C adds 10 and 9, and option D multiplies by 10. 10% means 1/10. Question 9. When NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which phrase best describes inference? Option A. A logical conclusion from evidence. Option B. A copied sentence only. Option C. A random opinion. Option D. A title decoration. The correct answer is option A. A logical conclusion from evidence. An inference is a logical conclusion based on evidence and reasoning. A copied sentence may be evidence but not the conclusion itself. Random opinions and decoration do not count as inference. Question 10. If NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which organ stores urine before elimination? Option A kidney. Option B liver. Option C small intestine. Option D bladder. The correct answer is option D. Bladder. The bladder stores urine until elimination. Kidneys produce urine, the liver processes substances, and the small intestine absorbs nutrients. Storage of urine identifies the bladder. Question 11. During NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which number is the average of 4, 6, and 8? Option A 18. Option B 4. Option C 6. Option D 8. The correct answer is option C. 6. The average is found by adding 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 18 and dividing by 3, giving 6. 8 and 4 are individual values, and 18 is the sum before division. Mean requires both steps. Question 12. For NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which word best completes each of the answers blank important? Option A B. Option B is. Option C are. Option D were. The correct answer is option B, is. Each is singular, so the verb should be is. Are and were are plural forms, and B does not fit standard sentence structure here. Agreement depends on the subject each. Question 13. In NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which word is closest in meaning to essential? Option A necessary. Option B optional. Option C rare. Option D late. The correct answer is option A. Necessary. Essential means necessary or required. Optional means not required, rare means uncommon, and late refers to time. Vocabulary questions often test the closest meaning in context. Question 14. On NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which value equals 12 divided by 3? Option A 4. Option B 9. Option C 36. Option D 3. The correct answer is option A. 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 3 is the divisor, 9 is subtraction, and 36 is multiplication. Division asks how many equal groups fit into the total. Question 15. Before NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which body system includes the brain and spinal cord? Option A skeletal. Option B urinary. Option C nervous. Option D digestive. The correct answer is option C. Nervous. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The digestive system processes food, the skeletal system supports the body, and the urinary system removes liquid waste. Brain and spinal cord identify nervous tissue. Question 16. After NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which sentence is grammatically correct? Option A. The nurse be prepared. Option B. The nurses was prepared. Option C. The nurse were prepared. Option D. The nurse was prepared. The correct answer is option D. The nurse was prepared. The singular subject nurse agrees with the singular verb was. Nurses was and nurse were mismatch number, and nurse be is not standard in this sentence. Subject-verb agreement is the tested skill. Question 17. while NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which fraction equals 50%? Option A 1/2. Option B 1/3. Option C 1/4. Option D 3/4. The correct answer is option A. 1/2. 50% means 50 out of 100, which simplifies to 1/2. 1/3 is about 33%, 1/4 is 25%, and 3/4 is 75%. Percent and fraction conversions are common math items. Question 18. Given NLN NEX Cardiovascular System, which conclusion should come from a reading passage? Option A. 1 based on outside rumors. Option B. 1 chosen by length. Option C. 1 ignoring the title. Option D. 1 supported by details. The correct answer is option D. 1 supported by details. A strong conclusion must be supported by passage details. Outside rumors and answer length are unreliable. Ignoring helpful text features can also lead to a weak answer.
Question 19. When has see a 2 biology review, which term describes maintaining internal balance? Option A, osmosis. Option B, digestion. Option C, homeostasis. Option D, metabolism.
The correct answer is option C. Lungs.
Homeostasis is the maintenance of stable internal conditions. Metabolism is the sum of chemical reactions. Osmosis is water movement across a membrane, and digestion breaks down food. Balance is the key clue. Question 20. If has see a 2 biology review, which number is 15% of 200? Option A, 45. Option B, 30. Option C, 15. Option D, 20.
The correct answer is option B. 12.
15% of 200 is 30 because 0.15 200 equals 30. Option B is the percent number alone, option C is 10%, and option D is too high. Converting the percent to a decimal prevents guessing. Question 21. During her C2 biology review, which sentence avoids a fragment? Option A, because the test started. Option B, after reviewing biology. Option C, the student finished the practice test. Option D, while reading the passage.
The correct answer is option A, checked.
The student finished the practice test has a subject and complete verb idea. The other options begin with dependent words and do not complete the thought. Complete sentences must stand alone. Question 22. For her C2 biology review, which term means toward the front of the body? Option A, posterior. Option B, inferior. Option C, lateral. Option D, anterior.
The correct answer is option D. Homeostasis.
Anterior means toward the front. Posterior means toward the back. Inferior means below. And lateral means away from the midline. Directional terms are common in anatomy review. Question 23. In her C2 biology review, which number equals 25% of 80? Option A, 40. Option B, 60. Option C, 20. Option D, 25.
The correct answer is option C. 1:2. The ratio 3:6 simplifies by dividing both parts by 3, giving 1:2. The other choices reverse or change the relationship. Equivalent ratios preserve the same comparison.
Question 24. On her C2 biology review, how should 3/4 be written as a decimal? Option F, 1.34. Option B, 0.34. Option C, 0.43. Option D, 0.75.
The correct answer is option B. The passage explains why sleep supports learning.
Dividing 3 by 4 gives 0.75. Option A simply places the digits beside each other. Option B reverses the digits, and option D is greater than 1 even though 3/4 is less than 1. Question 25. Before her C2 biology review, which organ pumps blood through the body? Option A, lung. Option B, heart. Option C, kidney. Option D, stomach.
The correct answer is option A. Nucleus.
The heart is the muscular pump that moves blood through the circulatory system. The lungs exchange gases, the kidneys filter blood, and the stomach begins digestion. Those organs are important, but they do not pump blood. Question 26. After her CO2 biology review, why do red blood cells carry oxygen well? Option A. They digest proteins. Option B. They make insulin. Option C. They filter urine. Option D. They contain hemoglobin.
The correct answer is option D. 0.25.
Hemoglobin binds oxygen and helps red blood cells transport it to tissues. Protein digestion is mainly a digestive function, insulin is produced by the pancreas, and urine filtration is a kidney function. These other choices describe different body processes. Question 27. While her CO2 biology review, which sentence is grammatically correct? Option A. He has finished the review. Option B. I seen the answer. Option C. She don't like chemistry. Option D. They was ready.
The correct answer is option C. Contract.
He has finished the review uses the correct auxiliary verb and past participle. She don't should be she doesn't, and they was should be they were. I seen should be I saw or I have seen. Question 28. Given her CO2 biology review, which word best means rapid? Option A. Silent. Option B. Slow. Option C. Quick. Option D. Heavy.
The correct answer is option B. Cardiovascular.
Rapid means fast or quick. Slow is the opposite. Heavy refers to weight, and silent refers to sound. Context clues often help identify this kind of vocabulary meaning. Question 29. When her CO2 biology review, which part of a passage usually states the central point? Option A. Main idea. Option B. Footnote. Option C. Comma. Option D. Title font.
The correct answer is option A. 9.
The main idea is the central message or point of a passage. A footnote may add extra information, a comma is punctuation, and title font is a formatting feature. Those details do not necessarily express the passage's main point. Question 30. If her CO2 biology review, when a chemical equation is balanced, what is conserved? Option A. Mass. Option B. Temperature only. Option C. Shape. Option D. Color only.
The correct answer is option D. The author's attitude.
Balancing an equation conserves the number of atoms and therefore mass. Color, temperature, and shape can change during reactions and are not the main balancing requirement. The law of conservation of mass is the key idea. Question 31. During her CO2 biology review, which cell structure controls most cell activities? Option A. Cell wall. Option B. Vacuole. Option C. Nucleus. Option D. Ribosome.
The correct answer is option C. Kidney.
The nucleus contains DNA and directs most cell activities. Ribosomes build proteins, the cell wall supports plant cells, and vacuoles store materials. Only the nucleus is the main control center. Question 32. For her CO2 biology review, how many milliliters are in 1 liter? Option A. 10,000. Option B. 10. Option C. 100. Option D. 1,000.
The correct answer is option B. 60%.
1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters in the metric system. 10 and 100 are too small by factors of 110. 10,000 milliliters equals 10 liters, not 1 liter. Question 33. In her CO2 biology review, which body system exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A. Respiratory. Option B. Skeletal. Option C. Urinary. Option D. Integumentary.
The correct answer is option A. Decrease.
The respiratory system handles gas exchange in the lungs. The skeletal system supports the body, the urinary system removes liquid waste, and the integumentary system protects the body through skin. Gas exchange is specifically respiratory. Question 34. On her CO2 biology review, which punctuation mark best joins two related independent clauses with a conjunctive adverb? Option A, semicolon. Option B, the apostrophe. Option C, quotation mark. Option D, comma.
The correct answer is option D. Gram.
A semicolon can join two related independent clauses before a conjunctive adverb such as however. A comma alone may create a comma splice. Apostrophes show possession or contractions, and quotation marks show exact speech or titles. Question 35. Before her see a 2 biology review, which ratio is equivalent to 2:5? Option A, 2:10. Option B, 10:4. Option C, 4:10. Option D, 5:2.
The correct answer is option C. Adjective.
Multiplying both parts of 2:5 by 2 gives 4:10. Option B reverses the ratio, option C changes only one side, and option D reverses the equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratios must scale both parts equally. Question 36. After her see a 2 biology review, which bone protects the brain? Option A, tibia. Option B, femur. Option C, skull. Option D, rib.
The correct answer is option B. White blood cells.
The skull protects the brain. The femur and tibia are leg bones, while ribs protect organs in the chest. Only the skull surrounds the brain. Question 37. While her see a 2 biology review, which term describes the basic unit of life? Option A, atom. Option B, tissue. Option C, cell. Option D, organ.
The correct answer is option A. 56.
The cell is the basic unit of life. Atoms are units of matter, tissues are groups of similar cells, and organs are made of tissues. Living structure begins at the cellular level. Question 38. Given her see a 2 biology review, which fraction is equivalent to 0.5? Option A, a quarter. Option B, 2/3. Option C, 3/5. Option D, the half.
The correct answer is option D, R.
0.5 equals 1/2 because 0.5 is 5/10, which simplifies to a half. 1/4 equals 0.25, 2/3 is about 0.67, and 3/5 equals 0.6. Question 39. When her see a 2 biology review, which word is a noun in the sentence the nurse checked the chart? Option A, the. Option B, quickly. Option C, the nurse. Option D, checked.
The correct answer is option C. Digestive.
Nurse names a person, so it functions as a noun. Checked is a verb, the is an article, and quickly would be an adverb. Identifying parts of speech helps with grammar questions. Question 40. If her see a 2 biology review, which substance has a pH below 7? Option A, salt crystal. Option B, acid. Option C, base. Option D, pure water.
The correct answer is option B. 3/4.
An acid has a pH below 7. Bases have pH values above 7, and pure water is neutral at about 7. A salt crystal alone is not the best description of a below 7 solution. Question 41. During her see a 2 biology review, which muscle action moves a limb away from the midline? Option A, adduction. Option B, abduction. Option C, flexion. Option D, extension.
The correct answer is option A. Precise.
Abduction means movement away from the body's midline. Adduction moves toward the midline, flexion decreases an angle, and extension increases an angle. The prefix AB can help cue away. Question 42. For her see a 2 biology review, which reading clue helps identify an author's purpose? Option A, page number. Option B, font size. Option C, margin width. Option D, tone.
The correct answer is option D. Liver.
Tone helps reveal whether the author wants to inform, persuade, entertain, or explain. Page number, font size, and margin width are formatting details. They rarely reveal purpose by themselves. Question 43. In her see a 2 biology review, which vein usually carries oxygenated blood? Option A, vena cava. Option B, renal vein. Option C, pulmonary vein. Option D, pulmonary artery.
The correct answer is option C. 3.75.
The pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and the vena cava returns deoxygenated blood from the body. Renal veins drain the kidneys, so they are not the best answer here. Question 44. On her C2 biology review, which operation should be done first in 6 plus 3 4? Option A, division. Option B, addition. Option C, multiplication. Option D, subtraction.
The correct answer is option B. Scan for keywords.
Order of operations requires multiplication before addition, so 3 4 is done first. Addition first would give the wrong result. Subtraction and division are not present in the expression. Question 45. Before her C2 biology review, which prefix means beneath? Option A, sub. Option B, pre. Option C, hyper. Option D, tachy.
The correct answer is option A. Osmosis.
The prefix sub means under or beneath. Pre means before, hyper means excessive or above normal, and tachy means fast. Medical vocabulary often depends on recognizing prefixes. Question 46. After her C2 biology review, which organ filters blood to make urine? Option A, liver. Option B, lung. Option C, pancreas. Option D, kidney.
The correct answer is option D. 60%.
The kidneys filter blood and produce urine. The liver processes chemicals, the lungs exchange gases, and the pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones. Urine formation is a kidney function. Question 47. While her C2 biology review, which gas do humans exhale as a waste product? Option A, nitrogen only. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, oxygen.
The correct answer is option C. Short.
Carbon dioxide is produced during cellular respiration and exhaled as a waste product. Oxygen is inhaled for metabolism, nitrogen is mostly unchanged, and hydrogen is not the main waste gas. This connects breathing to cell energy use. Question 48. Given her C2 biology review, which word best completes neither answer blank correct? Option A, B. Option B, tar. Option C, were. Option D, is.
The correct answer is option B. Ligament.
Neither is singular in this sentence, so the verb should be is. Are and were are plural or past tense forms that do not match. B does not fit standard subject-verb agreement here. Question 49. When her C2 biology review, which tissue type covers body surfaces? Option A, epithelial. Option B, muscle. Option C, nervous. Option D, connective.
The correct answer is option A. 47.
Epithelial tissue covers surfaces and lines cavities. Muscle tissue contracts, nervous tissue transmits signals, and connective tissue supports and binds. Surface protection is the epithelial role. Question 50. If her C2 biology review, which number is the lowest common denominator of 1/3 and 1/4? Option A, 12. Option B, 6. Option C, 24. Option D, 7.
The correct answer is option D. After the review, she took a practice test.
The least common denominator of thirds and fourths is 12. 7 is a sum, not a common multiple, and 6 is not divisible by 4. 24 works but is not the lowest.